Incorporating the habit of eating pineapples every day can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Pineapples are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that offer a wide range of health benefits. In this video, we will explore what happens when you start eating pineapples every day. Number 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Pineapples are a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, and manganese. These nutrients are vital for various bodily functions, such as immune system support, skin health, and metabolism. Number 2. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content in pineapples is essential for the immune system. It plays a crucial role in enhancing the body's defense against infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of pineapples can help strengthen your immune response. Number 3. Digestive health. Pineapples contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and supports a healthy gut. The enzyme bromelain, found in pineapples, can also help with digestion by breaking down proteins and reducing bloating. Number 4. Weight management. Pineapples are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, making them a satisfying and weight-friendly snack. The fiber helps you feel full, reducing the likelihood of overeating and promoting weight management. Number 5. Reduced inflammation. Bromelain, the enzyme present in pineapples, has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This is beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Number 6. Heart health. The potassium content in pineapples helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular disease. Additionally, the antioxidants in pineapples may contribute to better heart health. Number 7. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in pineapples, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and bromelain, promote healthy, radiant skin. They protect against free radical damage and may reduce the signs of aging. Number 8. Better vision. Pineapples contain beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. Adequate intake of beta-carotene can reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. Number 9. Enhanced hair and nail health. The vitamins and minerals in pineapples, including biotin, can contribute to strong and healthy hair and nails. Biotin is particularly well known for its role in improving hair and nail strength. Number 10. Reduced risk of cancer. The antioxidants and compounds found in pineapples, including bromelain and vitamin C, have been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including mouth, throat, and breast cancer. Number 11. Cognitive health. Some studies suggest that the nutrients in pineapples, including vitamin B6, may have a positive impact on cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Number 12. Energy boost. Pineapples provide a quick and natural energy boost due to their carbohydrate content, making them an ideal choice for active individuals and athletes. Number 13. Mood enhancement. The vitamins and antioxidants in pineapples, along with their natural sweetness, can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. The tryptophan content may also contribute to this effect. Number 14. Bone health. Pineapples contain essential minerals like manganese, which is crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Manganese supports bone density and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 15. Allergen reduction. Some studies suggest that bromelain, the enzyme in pineapples, may help reduce allergic reactions, especially in cases of sinusitis and respiratory issues. Number 16. Lower risk of constipation. The dietary fiber in pineapples promotes regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of constipation and ensuring a healthy digestive system. Number 17. Detoxification. Asterisk pineapples have natural diuretic properties that can help eliminate toxins and excess waste from the body. This detoxification process contributes to overall health and well-being. Number 18. Convenience and versatility. Asterisk pineapples are easy to incorporate into your daily diet. They can be eaten fresh, added to fruit salads, used in smoothies, or even grilled for a unique flavor. Their versatility makes them an accessible source of nutrition. Number 19. Immune system support. Asterisk, the vitamin C in pineapples is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system. Regular consumption can enhance your body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Number 20. Affordability. Asterisk pineapples are relatively affordable and accessible, making them an excellent choice for people on a budget. Their cost-effectiveness ensures that many individuals can enjoy the benefits of daily pineapple consumption. While there are numerous advantages to eating pineapples every day, it's essential to consider individual dietary needs and any specific health concerns. Some people may have allergies or sensitivities to pineapple, and excessive consumption may cause digestive discomfort. It's also important to monitor your overall sugar intake if you are diabetic or have blood sugar concerns. In conclusion, incorporating daily pineapple consumption can lead to a wide array of positive changes in your body. From improved immune function and digestive health to enhanced mood and energy levels, pineapples offer a delicious and nutritious addition to your daily meals. However, as with any dietary change, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your specific health goals and needs.